In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the 7 common ClickUp setup mistakes to avoid. ClickUp is a powerful tool designed to streamline your work and help you manage projects more efficiently. However, a disorganized setup can make any tool, no matter how powerful, feel chaotic and inefficient. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure your ClickUp workspace is both efficient and primed for success. First up, let's talk about the importance of having a well-defined hierarchy. A common mistake is creating a chaotic mix of random lists, folders, and spaces within ClickUp. To avoid this, it's crucial to plan your hierarchy first. Think of spaces as your departments, folders as projects within those departments, and lists as the specific types of tasks you'll be handling within each project. This structure not only helps keep everything organized, but also makes navigation intuitive. Now, when it comes to lists, using too many or too few can create problems. You might either end up with a single tasks list crammed with all sorts of unrelated tasks, or a dozen lists each, housing only a task or two. The key is to group related tasks into single, coherent lists. For instance, if you're managing a marketing team, a blog content list can help you keep all your writing tasks in one place, providing clarity and focus. It's easy to overlook the powerful feature of custom fields, but not using them for reporting is another common pitfall. If you're putting key data like a client's priority in the task description, you're missing out on a structured way to store important data. Custom fields allow you to filter and visualize data more efficiently, making dashboard creation a breeze. So, it's worth taking the time to set these up. Next, let's simplify your workflow by avoiding the mistake of overcomplicating statuses. While it might be tempting to create a unique set of statuses for every project, standardizing them across a space can save you time and confusion. A simple workflow like open, in progress, and complete often works best and is easy for everyone to follow. Also, don't ignore templates. Manually creating the same subtasks for recurring workflows is not only time-consuming, but also prone to error. Instead, create a task template for any repeatable process. This ensures consistency and saves you from repetitive setup effort. While ClickUp is versatile, it's essential to use views effectively. Relying solely on list or board views can limit your perspective. Instead, use the right view for the job. The Gantt view is perfect for visualizing project timelines, while the calendar view can help you manage schedules effectively. And finally, it's vital to avoid leaving old, completed projects cluttering your active workspace. This distracts from current priorities. Make it a habit to regularly archive completed work to keep your sidebar tidy and focused on what's truly important right now. By keeping these mistakes in mind and implementing these fixes, you'll set up your ClickUp workspace for optimal productivity. Try these tips out and watch your workspace transform into an organized and efficient tool that supports your success every day.